So I'm going to pretend that there is no trade involved and that I'm stuck in a position where I have to create value sitting across from someone, which is the most difficult place to do it. Key replacement. Terry, have you ever lost a key or a key fob?
Yeah.
Did you pay to have it replaced?
Heck no.
Why?
I didn't want to pay all that money.
So you looked into how much it would cost to
Hell
replace
yeah.
it. How much was it?
$350.
Okay. You know what, Terry? You did what about 90% of the people do. Okay, they lose a key or a key fob, they look into how much it's going to cost to replace it, and they just take better care of that last key. So there's nothing wrong with what you did. However, you do end up paying for that key. You know how you end up paying for it?
How so?
When you trade or sell your car. If you've only got one key, Terry, whoever buys that vehicle is going to give you less for your vehicle because of the expensive nature of key replacement. And quite frankly, most people want 2 keys to their cars. Okay? You're going to be glad to know that the next vehicle you purchase is going to come with complimentary key replacement for the first year. During that first year, we'll replace not one, we'll replace 2 keys that you either lose or malfunction. Some people run a key fob through the washing machine by accident, I hope. And guess what? That key doesn't work anymore. And those keys really aren't keys anymore. They're little mini computers. They got chips, they require programming, they require software. So, not to worry, first year of ownership, complimentary, and if you plan on keeping your car longer than a year, check with my man Ben. He'll show you how to extend that coverage out to even 5 years if necessary. Cool?
Absolutely.
All right, that's key replacement.